Hi friends, welcome back. Today I am sharing a very simple tip for sore throat, cough and chest congestion. When you have a chesty cough, wet or productive, your chest feels heavy and you may cough up mucus or phlegm. A chesty cough may follow a sore throat or a cold and can be worse in the morning. Coughs and colds are often caused by a virus. Colds are the most common cause of chest congestion. Chest congestion is an accumulation of fluids and mucus in the lungs, which can cause symptoms of pain, discomfort, tenderness, coughing, and difficulty breathing. To treat all these problems, use just one simple ingredient, which is quince seeds. Place 1 tablespoon of quince seed in a teacup or teapot. Add hot water, cover and let it steep. Drink after they have spent some time to steeping. It should not too hot. Use 3 to 4 times a day as long as you get complete relief. In another way, you can chew these quince seeds several times a day. Please try it yourself. Thanks for watching.